So, in this video, we will discuss regarding marriage ceremonies. So, subsection 1 of section 7 provides customary rites and ceremonies, and subsection 2 provides the sacred fire and saptapadi. And in the leading case, Dibyani versus Chidambaram in 1954, the Madras High Court, and Kanta Devi versus Sri Ram in 1963 by the Punjab Haryana High Court, and Venkata versus Janatru in 1958 by the Andhra Pradesh High Court, decided and have held down the performance of Kanyadana, Panigrahan, and Saptapadi are the essential to complete a Hindu marriage. And in the leading case, Gurcharan Behra versus Adi Behra in 1972, the Odisha High Court held that when two persons are leading a married life, there is a presumption under the law that their marriage must have been performed as per religious rites and ceremonies. And in the leading case, Srimati Bibi versus Srimati Ramkali in 1982, the Allahabad High Court held that when the marriage is disputed, it would be required of the party to prove the performance of customary rites and ceremonies. And in the leading case, Surjit Singh Kaur versus Garas Singh in 1994, Supreme Court held that the bare fact of a man and woman living as husband and wife does not, at any rate, normally give them the status of husband and wife. So, these are all provisions regarding marriage ceremonies as per the Act, and regarding proof of marriage, that is subsection 1 and 2 and 3 of section 8 provides that the state government to take rules for registration of marriages, particulars relating to such marriage to be entered in a marriage register and even compulsory registration. And subsection 4 provides inspection of such register and the particular maintained be made admissible as evidence of the statement. Subsection 5 provides that even non-registration of a marriage shall in no way affect the validity of any Hindu marriage. And in Shahaji versus Gopinath, in the leading case of 1995, the Madras High Court held that registration of marriage is no marriage at all as contemplated by the provisions of this Act. So, these are the provisions relating to the proof of marriage or registration of marriage, which is not compulsory, neither it is essential, it is an option or optional provision on the part of both the parties to the marriage or to the parents or guardians.